Hi, I'm Alison, and today I'm going to talk about Easify's multi-level bill of materials system. Now, bill of materials is when you've got products that contains other products, sometimes known as kits or assemblies. Now, in the scenario we're running here, we're running a model train company. So you might sell all the component parts separately, but equally you might build those component parts into a model train that you then sell to your customers. And that would be an assembly of a train containing all those component parts. Some of those component parts might make up assemblies in their own right. For instance, you might have like a wheel kit assembly or door kit assembly. So you can have sub-assemblies within the main assembly. Now, Easify is a multi-level bill of materials system. There is literally no limit to the amount of sub-assemblies that you can have within an assembly. So you can have an assembly that contains a sub-assembly that contains a sub-assembly that contains a sub-assembly, and so on. There's no limit to it. So let's get started by having a look at a product that I raised earlier. Here we've got a figure of 8 train track complete with engine as well. So it's like a starter kit, so somebody can have a bit of train track and a train engine to start them on their train modelling journey. So we'll just open up this product by double clicking on it, and then we'll go to the assembly tab. This is where it shows all the components that will make up this assembly. And you can see we've got 2 sub-assemblies in here. You can see we've got a figure of 8 track, and we've also got a master engine with 2 chimneys. We'll look at the track first because that's a much easier assembly. You can see it's an assembly because it's got the cross next to it. So we'll click on the cross and it will show us what it contains. So it contains 10 of the 6-inch tracks that you need to make up your figure of 8 track. Then we'll take a look at the master engine with the 2 chimneys. It's going to be a bit more complicated because an engine's going to have more parts to it for you to be able to build it. So we'll click on the cross next to it too. And you can see these are all the parts that you would need to build this particular type of engine. So you're going to need a chassis, a particular style of engine, some funnels, and then you've got a door kit. You can see that's a sub-assembly as it's got a cross next to it. And you've also got some wheels, a set of 6 of the 2-centimetre wheels that you're going to need for this engine too. And you can see that's a sub-assembly because it's got a cross next to it too. So first of all, we'll have a look at the door kit. We'll click on the cross and you can see these are the parts that are needed to make 2 of the door kits. So you've got 2 single doors, 2 door handles and 4 of the door hinges. So each door would have 2 hinges, each door would have 1 handle and obviously 1 door per side of the train. And then we'll move on to the wheel kit. So say we're going to have 6 wheels. And here you can see there's also a sub-assembly as part of this wheel kit too, and there's a wheel and axle kit. So in this sub-assembly you've got 2-centimetre wheels and an axle. And you've actually got 2 of the 2-centimetre wheels and 1 axle in this sub-assembly. However, we need 3 of these sub-assemblies to give us the 6 total wheels. So it gives us 6 of the wheels and 3 of the axles. And this in turn makes up all the parts that you need to build this master engine with the 2 chimneys. Now, I hope that helps show that Easify can contain lots of sub-assemblies within one assembly. There is literally no limit to the level of sub-assemblies that you can have contained within one product. So if you've got a very complex manufacturing process and you need to have lots of sub-assemblies within one product, this could be the ideal solution for you. If you've got any questions, please pop them below and we'll answer them. Or alternatively, feel free to email us at sales@easify.co.uk. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.